at Richfields Corp Ltd production facility in Dongguan, achieving both high speed and superior quality has always been the key objective. The BORCHE BU5000-V is designed to perfectly meet this critical production demand. Its hydraulic direct drive clamping technology works like a precision controller, ensuring every production cycle is faster, more stable, and more accurate. The innovative tie bar structure extends machine service life. The modular design enables flexible configuration for different production requirements, making operation easier, more convenient, and worry-free. Equipped with BORCHE's independently developed electric plasticizing, this machine can achieve more than 15% energy savings. It improves production efficiency while reducing operating costs. Connected to the cloud platform, it enables remote monitoring and process optimization. Real-time data analysis helps improve product yield, demonstrating the advantages of intelligent manufacturing. With powerful performance, outstanding efficiency, and proven quality, the BU5000-V delivers reliable results in real production environments. BORCHE BU5000-V, a smart choice for high-performance plastic manufacturing.